In this video, we listed the 5 best incline treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Elite Runner X Treadmill. The 3G Cardio Treadmill is a commercial-grade fitness equipment designed for running, walking, and fitness. It features a heavy-duty, high-torque 4.0 HP motor and an oversized running platform with BowFlex shock suspension for a smooth and stable workout experience. With a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour, built-in programs, and heart rate control, it offers versatility for various workout routines. Additionally, the treadmill includes special features such as Bluetooth, a USB charging port, and a multi-speed fan, making it suitable for the adult audience in the sporting goods industry. The brand also provides exceptional customer service and offers a lifetime frame warranty, ensuring superior value for its users. Number 2. Nautilus T614 Treadmill. The Nautilus T614 treadmill is equipped with a dual-track multi-LCD display console that allows users to set and track exercise goals such as workout time, distance traveled, and calories burned. This feature enables individuals to monitor their progress and stay motivated while working out. The treadmill is designed to help users achieve their fitness goals and provides a convenient way to track and measure their exercise performance. Number 3. NordicTrack T Series. The NordicTrack treadmill, presented in a sleek black design, boasts a like new product grade and measures 78.9 dx 35.5 wx 59.4 h, with a lightweight of just 0.1 kilograms. Crafted from alloy steel, it supports a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and features advanced Google Maps workout technology, allowing users to exercise virtually worldwide. Ideal for adults engaged in fitness, the treadmill comes with a 30-day IFIT membership that enables streaming of live and on-demand workouts, including global landscapes and studio classes. It is designed with a 10-inch HD interactive touchscreen that makes workout sessions engaging, while the Smart Response motor ensures an effective training experience. The equipment offers 0 to 12% digital incline and speed control, and customizes workouts based on personal goals. Its innovative space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist allows for effortless storage, and the 20-inch by 60-inch tread belt features Flex Select cushioning for reduced joint impact, accommodating users up to 300 pounds. Number 4. Lifespan Fitness Treadmill. The Lifespan Fitness Treadmill, featuring a sleek gray and black design, is a premium fitness equipment option that combines functionality and advanced features for an exceptional indoor workout experience. With dimensions of 73-inch dx 34.5, wx 55.5 h and a weight of 220.46 pounds, this sturdy treadmill is designed for adults seeking to enhance their fitness regimes. It boasts a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour, equipped with a powerful 2.75 HP motor, and includes an incline feature to intensify workouts. Users can track their progress on a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen display, which offers 3 unique dashboards and access to 38 varied workout programs, including heart rate and custom options. The treadmill also comes with dual-speaker Bluetooth outputs, a USB charging port, a convenient bottle holder, and an easy storage system with hydraulic shocks and wheels for transport. Designed for comfort and efficiency, this treadmill promises a robust and enjoyable cardio workout while accommodating modern fitness technology. Number 5. BowFlex Treadmill Series. The BowFlex treadmill, characterized by its sleek black design and a product grade of like new, is a high-performance fitness machine with dimensions of 85 dx 40 wx 70 h and a weight of 336 pounds. Constructed from durable alloy steel, it features a motorized incline range from -5% to 20%, allowing for versatile workout options suitable for walking, jogging, and running. The treadmill includes ergonomic extended handlebar grips, a Bluetooth-enabled heart rate armband for continuous monitoring, and Bluetooth speakers for an immersive workout experience. With a complimentary 2-month trial of the JRNY All Access membership, users can access personalized workouts, streaming entertainment, and virtual courses from around the globe. Additionally, the device is designed to help users track their fitness milestones easily, making it an excellent choice for adults looking to enhance their exercise routine. The treadmill's motor operates up to approximately 1.9 HP, ensuring a powerful performance tailored for at-home fitness enthusiasts.